Hey everyone, welcome back to Remote Income Academy. If you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind and want to earn online in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the beginner's blueprint for earning online. So stick around because these strategies are simple, actionable, and perfect for anyone starting fresh. Whether it's freelancing, AI powered jobs, or side hustles, the online world is booming. And the best part? You don't need years of experience or a huge investment to get started. In this video, I'll break down the step-by-step plan you can follow to start earning online this year. Step 1. Identify your skills. First, you need to identify what you're good at. Are you a writer, designer, coder, or a social media expert? Even beginners have skills they can monetize online. Remember, high-demand skills in 2025 include AI-related tasks, content creation, and digital marketing. Step 2. Choose a platform. Next, pick the right platform. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Remote.com are perfect for beginners. If you're into AI, there are platforms that pay you for AI data labeling, prompt engineering, or testing AI tools. Choose one that fits your skill set and start small. Step 3. Start small and build a portfolio. Don't worry about earning thousands immediately. Start with small projects, gain experience, and create a portfolio. Your portfolio is your ticket to higher paying clients. Even short-term project can boost your credibility online. Step 4. Learn and upskill. The online world changes fast. Invest 1 to 2 hours daily to learn new skills. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and free AI tools can help you stay ahead in 2025's online job market. Step 5. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on just one source. Mix freelancing, AI jobs, affiliate marketing, and digital products. This ensures stable and growing online income. The more diversified your skills, the higher your earning potential. Step 6. Take action and stay consistent. Finally, the most important step is taking action. Apply for jobs, complete projects, and don't give up. Consistency is key in building a real online income in 2025. If you follow these steps, you can start earning online without any previous experience. If you want a free beginner's guide to remote income, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more tips on remote work, AI jobs, and online income strategies. Comment below. Which method are you excited to try first? AI jobs, freelancing, or side hustles? I'll reply with tips to get started faster. And remember, your online journey starts today with Remote Income Academy.